Hey everyone, Chris here. I am super excited to show you what I've got today. I've been waiting for a while to get this dropper post put on my old bike. Let me give you a sample of what the bike is. Well, not a sample, I'll show you a picture of, I'm gonna show you a video of what my mountain bike looks like. 2013 Specialized Camber 29. Everything is everything is stock on this bad boy, and I'm gonna put a dropper post on there to see how this works out. I got the Tranz-X Kitsuma LT 150 millimeter drop, and then I just went ahead and got the Kitsuma, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, or the Tranz-X lever. All right, so here's an update on what I've done. There's internal routing. There's a hole that's here, and it looks like you could actually go through the entire frame. And if you wanted to do an internal routed dropper post, you'll see a hole right there. I'm guessing that you could probably run an internal one on that one, but I did the external anyway. So what I did was I actually removed this rear suspension. With this bolt, it gave me easier access to run my cable through this hole. You should see it there. And I have it set up to where now I'm gonna connect it to the post. Post is already ready to go and installed. I'll update you in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and install the lever on this side. I think if I'm riding, I should be able to pull it or push it pretty simply if I get there. I mean, I probably could go underneath that a little bit further, but that means that I would have to move this, and I don't really want to do that. So we'll just test this out right now, make sure there's enough line, and should come out pretty good. We'll see. The lever here instead of the inside of my front derailleur switch, and it seems to work out pretty well. I think I'm going to be able to manipulate both. I rarely change this anyways. I usually stay in the middle. So this is going to be a good opportunity for me to use it whenever I want. So here it is right here. Push the lever and she works. Push the lever again. Like butter. We'll test it out on the field here in a bit. Wired, I have a little zip tie there, and then it enters the frame here, comes out on this side, and set up right here.